Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video, I'm going to do an 8x10 swipe. I'm going to do like a negative space swipe. I'll probably do a puddle in the middle. Do some pretty colors. I've got like emerald green, pinks, and maybe a bit of gold. And they are Deco Art with Sargent pouring medium. And the cell activator is just Floetrol and black paint. So come and watch and see how I do it. Hi everyone. Okay. So I gotta pour my white paint down. I gotta give it a bit of a stir. I mixed two paints together, so all right. Where is the spatula? I'm gonna spread this out. Okay, I've got some Deco Art 24 karat gold. Now these paints are mixed with Sargent pouring medium. This one's a bit thick. It's with Deco Art paints, they're a little on the thinner side, so it's like a two paint to 2 pouring medium, maybe a little bit more. Just check and do 2 and then check and see how it is. Okay, I'm gonna do, this is an emerald green and peridot green mixed together. So it's a pretty nice color. So I'm just gonna do a kind of a puddle, and I'm going to swipe out from there. And I've got some pink. This is just rose quartz Deco Art. And I have some, this is, I forget the name of this one. My lids are here. J.det. And then this one is it's a purple. It's a deco art. I'll have to look and see the name of this one. It's like a berry. Maybe it's berry. Could be berry. Yeah, it's berry. Okay. Now I was going to use a card. I still might. I had some cut, but I made a bigger puddle than I was thinking, so I have like a card. So I'm going to put some black cell activator on there. I could actually use this. It's not very big. I'll use the card. So this cell activator is not with Australian Floetrol, it's with American Floetrol. It's like 2 parts paint, Amsterdam black, to 2.5 parts Floetrol. No, sorry, my recipe's in the description. 1 teaspoon, say 1 teaspoon of paint to 2 tablespoons of Floetrol. Something like that. So I'm gonna that's nice. I don't know about that. Excuse me. Excuse me, I need a drink. Oh, I didn't join them together. So you don't have to use Australian Floetrol all the time. I use it because I have it. But if you can't get it or you don't want to get it, you can try other things. So that's really pretty. What am I going to do with that middle thing now? Shoot. Excuse me. Maybe I'll... I'm going to get my fork. I'll do one beside it. Not fond of this. I think I'm gonna see if I can just spin it and see what happens. Let's see which way I like it. All right, I'm gonna spin it. Oh, it's come off the other side. It's not coming down this way. Oh, look at all the paint coming off. I did have quite a bit of paint on there. losing a lot of it here. I wanted to stretch it this way more. I don't know. What do you think? It's different, that's for sure. I like the colors. I don't see any gold. Did I forget the gold? No, I did put some in here. Kind of looks cool that way. All right, I think I'm going to leave it and let it dry. I think I need to spin it anymore. Just trying to stretch the cells. I don't want to lose this. Okay, I think I'm just going to leave it and see how it dries. Thanks for watching and have a good day, everyone. Give it a try. So if there's no house paint, well, the house paint is the base, that's all. Just white house paint, eggshell. But the rest is just DecoArt, Sargent pouring medium, and Floetrol. Pretty easy. All right, have a good day. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Hi everybody, here's my dried painting. It's so smooth and beautiful. It's got a nice shine to it. Perfect. It's just perfect. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everybody. Come back to Carol's Art Room. Bye-bye.